I live in a constant state of fear and misery. Do you miss me anymore? And I don't even notice when it hurts anymore, 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 anymore.
This side. Yeah, this side's good. You're good. You're good. All right, so we're in a bit of a rush. We gotta go pick up my car. Oh, you're gonna run his legs over?
I'm an idiot! That's it, you're gonna die. Honest question, should I throw BBKs on the side?
I don't know. I don't know what they would look like.
So many choices. I like it. This is a toast.
Anything else that we gotta bring?
You just gotta make space in the back seat for yourselves.
I'm probably gonna put some of that.
You gotta grab your helmet. Your helmet is
Who else is coming? Is Tony coming? All right. Oh God, it's a mess.
And then cut it back that way, yeah, so you straighten out. You gotta pump the brake a little more. You're going back fast. Yeah, pump it.
Oh shit.
Put in gear. There you go.
Alright, yeah.
Babe car. Hi.
Grab that one. I'll put it on the other side. Yeah.
I don't do labor.
A little bit more. That's it? Put it in gear? Okay.
I got this tight right here, this one.
Alright.
Okay? It's not gonna roll back.
Alright.
Hey Nick,
Yeah.
next time you sell some, tell them curbside delivery. After the curb, it's their problem. All right?
And actually behind the seat too. I think it's 2 headlights.
Oh yeah, there's another sliding
And a
glass
whole
there.
nother glass assembly too.
Oh,
That's
wow.
all for you, yeah.
Nice. Yeah, this is, yeah.
And literally everything's in fucking perfect condition. This
Yeah.
comes straight from like the hard body graveyard. Look it up, you end up getting the other shit anyway, so.
There's a hard body graveyard somewhere.
GoPro in there.
Basically,
Yeah.
yeah, my driveway was the hard body graveyard.
I'm about to have one as well. This one.
Hard bodies are cool. Oh,
Bravo way.
that's the problem.
So yeah, this is the other Nissan hard body. It's not focusing. I don't know why. Okay, there we go. This is the other Nissan hard body. And here's the second one. It's just like, Jason, it's like you have 2 Nissan 240s now. I have 2 Nissan hard bodies. Oh yeah, that'll be just like you.
I don't know. I kind of like the beater look of this. I'll be honest.
まあ今夜は本気でやってもらいますね。1, 2, 3, 4.